the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next?
Alright guys, good morning. As you can see, or as you've seen, I was doing some cleaning up, trying to get this dumpster full so they can come and get it tomorrow. And now that the dumpster is clean again, or full again, excuse me, we have to divert our attention to this here window in the pantry. The wife's not happy with it. She thinks she wants the other window in there that we have, so we are going to take this one out and frame in the other one and get that one in there. So I'll put you guys on for time lapse for that, and we'll get to it.
Come all you young rounders, and a story I'll tell of the promise of heaven and the warning of hell. Take heed where you ramble, or too soon you will go. Way up on the hillside where the new flowers grow. Well, they met in the springtime, the sun sinking low. Two star-crossed lovers in the still melting snow, where the loving was easy and the courting was brief. Well, they called her a beauty.
All right, guys, we got the new window in. I just left the header long. I'd rather it be long than short, you know what I'm saying? But window's in. It is an old window, so I mean, it has that, but trying to save money where we can. But I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, we're back at it. Yesterday we finished the window here, so that's all done. We're going to go ahead and move along and start getting this siding and everything tore down, and get that brick down there tore off, and see what we can uncover, and see what it's going to offer us here. So we'll throw you guys on time lapse, and we'll get after it. But this is what I have left. So we have this wall here left, and then we have this wall here left. So not much, but it's a little bit. But we'll start tearing this stuff down, and
well, the air was so still, and the sky was so blue. Before she could see them, the laughter she knew. She heard two shots ring out down in the town. There was three on the hillside, but only one headed down. I was just a baby, but I remember that day when I walked up the hillside, saw two mounds of clay. I'll always remember, and I'll never go back up the hillside where the new flowers grow. Back up the hillside where the new flowers grow. I go straight from the bank, gassing up the tank, cranking up the radio, playing old Hank. It ain't that long till I'm back at the pond. I'm pulling up the truck down at the dock. It's time to do some cruising, baby, get a little stuck. It's a Saturday joyride, Percy Feast is the spot. We're on a boat, we're feeling fine, drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky. We're going up, we're coming down. There's a party on the water, it's a hell of a time. We're on a boat, we're killing time, in our own honky tonk with a bottle of wine. We're going up, we're coming down. Cheers to feeling alright, it's a hell of a time. Chilling out here, ladies in the rear, her feet in the water, top disappears, drinking Malibu Patron or a beer in a cup. Girl, I can hook you up. We all get to dance and I get to chancing, kissing that country girl, romancing, a whole lot of love, bumping out of the bars. Yeah, we're on a boat, we're feeling fine, drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky. We're going up, we're coming down. Here's the feeling alright, it's a hell of a time. We're on a boat, we're killing time, in our own honky tonk, beat the big blue sky. We live it up, we got it down. Here's the feeling alright, it's a hell of a time. And I'm falling for a small town girl, so kiss me, darling, rock my world, rock my world, rock my world. Yeah, now it's a hell. We're on a boat, we're feeling fine, drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky. We're going up, we're coming down. There's a party on the water, it's a hell of a time. We're on a boat, we're killing time, in our own honky tonk with a bottle of wine. We're going up, we're coming down. Cheers to feeling alright, it's a hell of a time. A hell of a time. It's a hell of a time. Oh, hell of a time. I'm a rolling stone, bound to roam. Come the morning, or I'll be gone. Pouring rain, oh, to hear that train. There she comes. Won't you get on? Won't you get on board?
Alright guys, we got the window in there. I had to do a lot more replacing than I thought I was going to have to. I thought the 2x4s were good, but once I got the stuff on outside off, it turned out that there had some termite damage in the back side of them, so I just went ahead and replaced them. I went ahead and left this here. It's good wood, just looks ugly, but we'll continue to keep going. I have a lot of stuff to tear out. Over there on that side, I got to tear out all the walls all the way around. This side does have the electrical panel in it, so next week we'll be tearing that wall out, probably redoing those windows, replacing the wood. I have the siding and stuff tore out outside. I'll take you guys out there and so you guys can see that. But what do you think of the window? Much better. Much better. But let me take you guys outside so you guys can see that. So this is what it looks like outside. It's the laundry room. So we have all this siding and exterior stuff off. I have a line right there that I'll be cutting. I'll be taking this bottom section off, replacing it with some 3/4 inch plywood just to get it the same level with everything else. And then kind of screwed ourselves because I had left it on over here because it was really good over there. So when it came time to over here, I already had about 75% of it off, but it would have been at different levels. And I didn't want that. I wanted it all one level across, so we just went ahead and left it. Over here on this wall, when we get over here, if it's bad, then I'll probably just tear off all of it and just run the sheathing, this here Georgia stuff, just run it instead of having the 3/4 inch boards and stuff up there. But yeah, that's it, guys. Let me know what you think of the window, how the bathroom came out, and next week we'll be on the final stretch.